Artificial intelligence is transforming the world of art and music, and tools like ChatGPT are at the forefront of this revolution. In this video, we'll dive deeper into how AI, particularly ChatGPT, is being used to create, inspire, and even collaborate on artistic projects. Let's start with art. Artists today can use AI as a creative partner. For example, with ChatGPT, artists can generate detailed descriptions of scenes or concepts. Let's say you type, "a futuristic city skyline at sunset, with neon lights glowing in the distance." Using this description, tools like DALL-E or Midjourney can generate stunning, visually rich images that bring your vision to life. Artists can refine these images or use them as inspiration for their own work. It's not just about replacing human creativity, but enhancing it by sparking new ideas and exploring concepts that may not have been considered before. Now let's look at music. With AI-powered tools like MuseNet and Ava, musicians can create compositions in a variety of styles. Here's an example. A musician wants to compose a classical piano piece, but isn't sure where to start. They input a prompt into MuseNet like, "create a piano composition in the style of Beethoven." The AI generates an original piece of music, which the musician can then refine or build upon. It's a collaboration between human creativity and AI's limitless potential. Tools like JukeDeck allow users to generate royalty-free music for video projects, presentations, or even social media content. With a simple prompt like upbeat electronic music, the AI can produce a track in seconds. As AI continues to evolve, it's clear that tools like ChatGPT are empowering artists and musicians by providing new ways to explore their creativity. Whether it's generating visual art or composing original music, AI is making creative expression more accessible than ever before. So, whether you're a digital artist, musician, or just curious about AI, the future of creativity is here, and ChatGPT is helping to shape it.